Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about iris recognition, which is one of the most secure biometric authentication technique used in information system security. Now, that is information system security, right? We use iris recognition. Now, iris recognition uses unique patterns in a person's eye to identify or verify their identity. Now, in this presentation, I will explain how iris recognition works, where it is used, its advantages, and its challenges. So, now let's move over to how it works. Now, as you can see, the eye scan. Now, in the eye scan, what happens here is that you can see this person's eye is being scanned now. Now, the system captures an image of the user's eye using a special camera. There's a special camera you use. So the system will now capture the image of the person's eye. Then infrared light is used clearly to scan the iris without harming the eye. Now, infrared, as you can see, this person eye is scanned. Infrared light is used to scan it. And after that, which we will now move over to the feature extraction. Now, in this feature extraction, now the system focuses on the iris. If you note, like all the iris have its unique patterns. So the system focuses on the iris, then it extracts those unique patterns. It extracts it, and after it extracts it, it now converts it to digital code called iris template. As you can see, it is converted here to zeros and ones, which is digital code. So now we now move over to the matching process. Now those extracted finally those extracted iris template is compared with stored templates in database. We compare it with other templates, other digital codes. You understand? So once it's the match is found, once it is found, once it is saying that okay, this actually matches, the user's identity is now verified. This actually happens very fast. First of all, the eye is scanned, capture the there's a camera that will capture the image of the person's eye. Infrared light is used. Then later on, after that, the system focuses on the iris, then extracts the patterns. The pattern is converted to digital code. Then it is compared with other templates. Then once it is found, the identity is verified. Then we move over to the advantages. Now, the advantages. One major advantage of this iris recognition is its high level of accuracy. It is very accurate. Now, it is very difficult to also fake or copy an iris pattern because obviously it is unique. Iris recognition is also fast and reliable even for large database. Even for large database, very fast and reliable. Then this technology is commonly used in airports, border control systems, banking security, highly security facilities. Now you can see this is an airport which it is being used. Now also some modern smartphones actually use iris scanning for secure access. Now you can see this is the phone. This is our phone. It is used to unlock this phone now because it will use iris scanning. Then once it verify the pattern turn to digital code, as we said before. When it's found, it's verified the identity, then your phone will be unlocked. Then it also have challenges. Why it has advantages, there are also challenges. Now the equipment required can be expensive compared to other biometric systems. It's expensive. Now also some users may feel uncomfortable, having their eyes scanned. You're using infrared light. You can see this man is actually uncomfortable. Then also there is privacy concerns. There are privacy concerns, related to storing biometric data security. Now, in conclusion, you know, why iris recognition is powerful and secure biometric authentication technique. It is also costly and also has privacy concerns which must be carefully managed. However, it has high accuracy. Now, as technology improves, iris recognition is expected to become more widely used in the future. Thank you very much.